Have you ever caught your reflection asking, what happened overnight? Your skin feels tight, dry, almost shrunken. You apply the fancy creams. You moisturize like clockwork. Yet by midday, that papery feeling returns, and those fine lines seem to whisper louder each day. Here's the truth most women over 60 never hear. The very thing you've been doing every morning your entire life, that fresh face wash you believe is good hygiene, is actually the silent reason your skin feels older than it should. Yes, washing your face in the morning ages your skin faster. Sounds crazy, right? But dermatologists studying mature skin confirm our skin changes dramatically after 60. It becomes thinner, drier, slower to recover. Each night as you sleep, your skin builds a natural protective layer of oils and microbiome, its own invisible armor. And every morning, most of us wash it away without realizing it. But here's the beautiful part. There's a simple fix. I call it the splash and go method. Just water, nothing else. Gentle, refreshing, and powerful. It helps your skin stay hydrated, resilient, and glowing all day long. So before you spend another dollar on a new serum or miracle cream, try removing one step instead. Sometimes less really is more. If you believe aging gracefully means aging smart, not hard, subscribe to this channel. We share science-backed tips to help you feel confident and radiant at every age. And tell me in the comments, where are you watching from today? Florida, London, maybe Cape Town? I love seeing how far our community of strong, beautiful women has grown. 1. How your skin repairs itself overnight. The hidden power of the acid mantle. After 60. Let's pause for a moment and consider what your skin truly does while you sleep. It's not resting, it's actively working. Quietly through the night, your skin repairs tiny damages from sun, air, and stress. It balances its oils and rebuilds what dermatologists call the acid mantle, a thin, invisible shield that protects and hydrates. Now, don't be alarmed by the word acid. The acid mantle is one of your body's most natural and intelligent defenses. It's a soft, silky film made from your own sebum, your skin's natural oil, a touch of sweat, and the lipids that come from healthy skin cells. Together, this blend creates a slightly acidic surface, somewhere between 4.5 and 5.5 on the pH scale. That gentle acidity is your skin's secret weapon. It keeps away harmful bacteria, pollution, and other irritants. Think of it as your skin's personal security guard, standing watch 24/7, keeping the bad out and the good in. Without it, the skin is left open, vulnerable to irritation, redness, and that uncomfortable burning feeling so many women over 60 know too well. But protection is just one of its jobs. The acid mantle is also your skin's moisture guardian. It locks in hydration, sealing the water your skin naturally produces and preventing it from evaporating. Dermatologists call this transepidermal water loss, but you can think of it like the way wax protects the paint on a car. The shine isn't just pretty, it's protection. When your acid mantle is strong, your skin feels soft, supple, and radiant. Here's where aging comes in. After 60, the oil glands that produce sebum become less active. Your skin also makes fewer ceramides and lipids, slowing the process of repair and renewal. What used to rebuild itself overnight in your 30s might now take several days, or even longer. So if you wash away this natural layer every morning with soap or foaming cleansers, your skin struggles to recover. I once met a 72-year-old woman from Phoenix, Arizona, a retired teacher who came to me desperate for help. Her skin felt tight, flaky, and painful no matter how much moisturizer she used. The culprit? A fresh morning cleanse she'd done her entire life. When she stopped washing in the morning and switched to a simple rinse with water, her skin transformed within 3 weeks. Calmer, smoother, and beautifully hydrated. Mature skin doesn't need more scrubbing. It needs protection. It needs kindness. Think of your skin as a delicate heirloom. It's been with you for decades. You wouldn't polish a vintage table with harsh chemicals. You'd care for it gently so it lasts a lifetime. Tell me in the comments, have you ever noticed your skin feeling tighter or drier in the morning? How does your skin react in your climate? I'd love to hear your story. Up next, we'll uncover what really happens when you wash your face in the morning and how that single habit might be undoing all the beautiful work your skin does while you sleep. 2. Why washing your face in the morning might be hurting your skin. After 60. Picture your morning. You wake up, walk to the sink, turn on the water, and reach for that familiar cleanser. The lather feels refreshing, the scent comforting, a ritual you've done your entire life. It feels clean, right? Responsible. But after 60, that innocent habit might be one of the quiet reasons your skin feels dry, tight, and older than it should. Here's the truth your skin wishes you knew. Even the gentlest cleansers, yes, the ones labeled hydrating, pH balanced, or for sensitive skin, are designed for one primary purpose: to remove oil. That's their job. They contain surfactants, ingredients that grab onto oils and dirt so water can wash them away. This is perfect at night when you're removing sunscreen, makeup, and pollution from the day. But in the morning, your face isn't dirty. You're washing off something precious, your skin's own natural moisturizer and protection. While you sleep, your skin works hard to create a delicate film called the acid mantle, a blend of natural oils, lipids, and hydration that keeps your barrier strong and your skin soft. When you cleanse first thing in the morning, you strip away that protective layer before it's had a chance to defend you. What's left is bare, vulnerable skin that instantly starts losing moisture to the air. That tight, squeaky clean feeling? It's not freshness. It's your skin crying for help. A 2021 study from the International Journal of Women's Dermatology found that postmenopausal women who cleanse more than once daily have significantly higher transepidermal water loss, meaning their skin literally leaks moisture. Over time, that leads to chronic dryness, redness, and a weaker barrier that accelerates visible aging. I remember a patient named Ruth, 68, from Chicago. She came in complaining that her skin felt like parchment paper no matter what cream she used. We reviewed her routine, and sure enough, she washed twice a day with a foaming cleanser. I asked her to skip the morning wash and just rinse with lukewarm water. 3 weeks later, she returned smiling. "I didn't change my products," she said. "Just that one habit. My skin finally feels soft again." That's exactly what happens when you let your skin keep its natural oils. When you don't, it goes into panic mode, desperately trying to rebuild what's lost. But as we age, oil glands slow down and cell turnover takes longer. Each time you wash, you force your skin to start over again. That's why dryness becomes persistent and fine lines start showing more deeply. Think of it like this. Every night, your skin builds a protective blanket, a barrier to face the day ahead. Then every morning, you tear it away with soap. It's like a gardener covering her plants from frost at night, only to rip the cover off before sunrise. It just doesn't make sense. If you've noticed your skin feeling tighter or flakier in the mornings, tell me in the comments. How often do you wash your face, and what cleanser do you use? You'll likely be surprised how many women share the same struggle. After 60, your skin doesn't need to be scrubbed. It needs to be supported. It needs gentleness, not stripping. Tomorrow morning, skip the cleanser. Just splash your face with water, pat it dry, and let your skin keep the protection it worked all night to build. In the next part, I'll walk you through the splash and go method, a simple dermatologist-approved routine that restores hydration, keeps your barrier strong, and helps your skin look fresh, soft, and radiant all day long. 3. The splash and go method, a simple morning routine that protects mature skin. So if you're not supposed to use a cleanser first thing in the morning, what should you do? Does it mean you stop washing your face completely? Not at all. The answer is beautifully simple, and your skin is going to thank you for it. I call it the splash and go method, and for women over 60, it can become a true game changer, a way to refresh your face without undoing all the natural work your skin did overnight. Let's go step by step. Step 1. The splash. When you wake up, skip the cleanser. Instead, head to the sink and splash your face with lukewarm water. The temperature really matters. Hot water feels comforting, especially on cool mornings. But it's one of the biggest enemies of mature skin. It melts away the natural oils and lipids that make up your skin's barrier, the very layer that keeps your skin hydrated and calm. On the other hand, ice-cold water might be too harsh, causing temporary tightening of the blood vessels on your face, which can actually stress delicate, aging skin. Lukewarm water, around room temperature, is perfect. It gently refreshes, removes minor residue like sleep or oil buildup, and wakes you up without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Use your hands only. Avoid washcloths or facial brushes. Even soft fabrics can cause tiny micro tears on thinner, mature skin over time. A few gentle splashes, 5 or 6 at most, are all you need. Step 2. The pat dry. This part may sound simple, but it's crucial. After rinsing, resist the temptation to rub your face with a towel. That friction pulls and stretches the skin, especially around the cheeks and jawline, where elasticity naturally declines with age. Instead, take a clean, soft towel, ideally one reserved just for your face, and pat gently. Press lightly to absorb the water, but don't try to dry it completely. In fact, here's a little dermatologist secret. Leave your skin slightly damp. That thin layer of moisture helps your skincare products absorb better. Think of your skin like a sponge. A completely dry sponge doesn't soak up water easily, but a slightly damp one does. Studies published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology have shown that applying moisturizer on damp skin increases hydration by up to 30% compared to applying it on dry skin. Step 3. The go. While your skin is still damp, move directly into your morning skincare routine. This is the ideal time to apply a lightweight, hydrating serum. Look for ingredients like vitamin C for antioxidant protection or niacinamide for barrier support. Follow it with a moisturizer rich in ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. These ingredients mimic the skin's natural lipids, sealing in hydration and reinforcing your barrier. And then comes the final, non-negotiable step. Sunscreen, every single day. Even if you're staying indoors, UVA rays penetrate windows and break down collagen, leading to wrinkles, sunspots, and sagging. A broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher is essential. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, daily sunscreen use can reduce visible signs of aging by nearly 25% over time. That's it, the splash and go method. No scrubbing, no stripping, no complicated steps. Just rinse, pat, and protect. It's quick, gentle, and incredibly effective for mature skin. By keeping this simple routine, you're honoring the work your body does each night to repair itself. You're not fighting your skin, you're working with it. And when you do, it responds beautifully, softer texture, less redness, and a natural, healthy glow that no expensive product can fake. In the next part, we'll talk about the evening routine, why cleansing at night is essential, and how to do it without damaging your barrier. Because real skin health isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. 4. The right way to cleanse at night, protecting your skin's renewal. After 60. Let me be perfectly clear about this. The no cleanser rule applies only to the morning. In the evening, cleansing is not just important, it's essential. Your skin spends the entire day defending you. By nightfall, it carries a full layer of sunscreen, makeup, sweat, oil, and pollution. If you don't remove all of that before bed, you're not letting your skin rest. You're forcing it to fight while you sleep. Think of what your face goes through in a single day. Sunscreen creates a film that must be broken down. Makeup clings tightly to your pores. City air leaves behind microscopic particles of pollution and dust that settle deep into the skin. When this builds up, it blocks oxygen flow, traps bacteria, and leads to dull, tired-looking skin. Going to bed like that is like wrapping your face in a plastic sheet. It suffocates the renewal process your skin depends on each night. And yes, even women in their 60s and 70s can experience clogged pores, blackheads, and irritation from not cleansing properly. I've seen it countless times. A patient named Eleanor, 73, from Los Angeles, came to me frustrated that her skin looked rough and uneven despite using expensive serums. When I asked about her nighttime routine, she admitted she often just wiped her face with a tissue before bed. Once she switched to a proper, gentle cleanse every night, her skin's glow started coming back within 2 weeks. But the real concern isn't just surface buildup. Pollutants left on your skin generate free radicals, unstable molecules that damage collagen and elastin, the fibers responsible for firmness and bounce. Scientific reviews in dermatology have shown that environmental pollutants can age the skin almost as quickly as UV light. Free radicals weaken your skin barrier, making it thinner, drier, and more prone to sagging and wrinkles over time. So yes, evening cleansing is a must, but it must be gentle. Harsh foaming cleansers, or those with sulfates, can strip away essential lipids and leave your skin even more vulnerable. Instead, choose a creamy cleanser, a cleansing balm, or an oil-based wash. These dissolve sunscreen, makeup, and excess oil without disrupting your barrier. Here's how to do it right. Start with dry skin. Apply your cleanser and gently massage for about a minute. This helps it melt through dirt and product layers. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Hot water strips natural oils, while cold water can prevent proper cleansing. Finish by patting your skin dry with a soft towel, never rub, and follow with your serum or moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. That moisture helps seal hydration in. This evening ritual isn't just about removing dirt. It's about giving your skin space to breathe and renew itself overnight. While you rest, your body increases blood flow to the skin, repairs collagen fibers, and rebuilds its natural protective layer, the acid mantle. That's why nighttime cleansing is the foundation of healthy, glowing skin at any age. Then in the morning, you simply honor that work. Instead of stripping your skin again, you rinse gently with water, moisturize, and protect it with sunscreen. That balance, cleansing at night and preserving in the morning, creates harmony between your skin's natural rhythms and your routine. I know this may challenge long-held habits, but give it 1 week. Cleanse gently at night, skip cleanser in the morning, and watch how your skin responds. It will feel softer, calmer, and better hydrated. Because real beauty after 60 isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most, with kindness and care. 5. A simple change that transforms mature skin from the inside out. Let's take a moment to recap what happens when you stop washing your face in the morning and start practicing the splash and go method. First, and most importantly, you're preserving your acid mantle, that delicate, invisible shield that protects your skin from harmful bacteria and locks in precious moisture. When you stop stripping it away every morning, your skin stays naturally hydrated, calm, and balanced. Second, you'll begin to notice less dryness, tightness, and irritation throughout the day. The skin feels more comfortable, less reactive, and more at peace. Many of my patients tell me they no longer reach for moisturizer 5 times a day because their skin finally holds on to hydration. Third, your skincare products will suddenly seem more effective. Why? Because your serum and moisturizer can now do their job, nourish and protect, instead of constantly repairing damage caused by overcleansing. Studies on mature skin show that maintaining a healthy barrier improves how well active ingredients penetrate and perform, especially antioxidants and ceramides. And finally, over time, you're supporting a stronger, more resilient skin barrier. That's the foundation of radiant, healthy skin at any age. When the barrier is intact, your complexion appears smoother, brighter, and more youthful, without irritation or redness. Your skin is incredibly intelligent. It knows how to repair itself, how to hold water, and how to fight off damage, if we simply allow it to. Our role, especially after 60, is to stop fighting against our skin and start working with it. I know this may sound small, but it's a powerful act of self-care. When you choose gentleness over harsh routines, you're honoring your skin's natural rhythm. And in a way, you're honoring yourself. Because this isn't just about skincare. It's about recognizing that your body is still capable, still wise, still beautiful. You're not just washing your face differently. You're sending yourself a message. I deserve this care. I'm learning to age with grace, not resistance. That's the quiet magic of Splash and Go. It's simple yet deeply transformative. I'd love to hear from you. Was this idea new to you? Or have you tried skipping your morning cleanser before? What does your current routine look like? Share your thoughts, questions, or even your skin stories in the comments below. I read every single one. Your experiences help build a caring community of women who are learning, growing, and glowing together. If this video gave you a fresh perspective on how to care for your beautiful skin, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps our Senior Health Guard channel reach more women who want to age gracefully and confidently. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on all notifications. We have many more dermatologist-approved, science-backed tips coming your way to keep your skin strong, hydrated, and radiant at every age. And for a little fun, if you're ready to take the 1-week Splash and Go challenge, type "I'm trying it" in the comments. Let's fill this space with positive energy and prove that gentle, intelligent care can truly transform mature skin. In our next video, we'll explore how your nighttime skincare routine can supercharge your skin's repair and renewal. Stay gentle, stay radiant, and remember, your best skin years can still be ahead of you.